Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And also, just want to say thanks to all my recently new subscribers. And yeah, this is how we do it here at Crypto Nation. If you'd like to support the channel, PayPal and Cash App will be in the description, or get the channel membership. Uh, it's very worthwhile to get the channel membership. I think yeah, a few days back I posted a new video. I put out private content, to the channel, members. So yeah, it's $3 a month. You get a chance to see my portfolio. I share that with you guys whenever I update, and we just share ideas. And I always try to look for, I look for new low cap gems for you guys. And a lot of times when I find new low cap gems, I like to share it with my channel members first. But anyways, let's get right on to it here. Let's get to the spill. So Bitcoin is at 61,000, was back over 61 after coming all the way back from 57. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. When Bitcoin dropped to 57, I actually thought it was gonna retest 55 again, but it didn't. When I thought it was gonna retest 55, next thing you know it pumps back up to 59. Now we're back up to 61. So the market is starting to take off again. If Bitcoin can pump back up to like 65K, I believe we could see an altcoin rally. We could definitely see a nice altcoin rally if Bitcoin can get, but back up to like between like I'll say between like 64 to 66K. Hey, or even higher than that. We could definitely see a nice altcoin rally. We're well due for an altcoin rally right now, but we're about close to 3 weeks out now from the Bitcoin halving. So I believe, we've been having a few flash crashes over the last month. We've had a few flash crashes, but the people who's been buying these dips, I'm telling you, the people who's been loading up and eating the sea of red like a shark, you guys, when we see the next altcoin rally, our positions are going to be multiplying. We're going to see like gains, more gains. The fact that we've been buying these dips, I've definitely been picking up these dips, and this is when we see our parabolic altcoin run, buying these dips is going to be really beneficial. I'll just say that. Okay, so we have Solana at 141. There's your top by market cap. So it looks like the market is somewhat, trying to move up. Right now, I can see even my portfolio. I've been buying all these dips, and it's already paying off in my portfolio. It's already paying off with these dip buys. Anyways, I wanted to do an update on Swift coin. All right, we're back up to 46% of a penny. We dipped all the way down to 40% of a penny during our flash crash, but we're back up to 46 now. We're up 3.9% for the day, 1.3% for the hour. So yes, Swift. Um, I broke it down about the partnership with Cana Labs, and they're constantly getting other companies that's on their all chain bridge. Let's take a look at the market cap. Okay, core market cap shows 18 million, but I think that the market cap is actually a little bit higher than that. CoinGecko shows about 30 million. So either way it go, it's still a very low market cap. And then the tokenomics here, coin market caps is it shows 4 billion, but I believe it's actually about 8 billion, 8 billion that's in the circulation. That's what CoinGecko shows. For some reason, coin market cap doesn't really show the updated information on it, and unless if it's really only 4 billion in circulation. But like I said, CoinGecko shows 8 billion in circulation, which is about 90 something percent of the supply. And the total supply is 10 billion, but we don't know what the max supply is now because they could add more. We're not sure, but as of right now, the total supply is 10 billion. So yeah, so all it takes is a couple of wells to pump this thing. Definitely, um, we're gonna definitely see a pump coming up here. Like I said, I'm predicting a altcoin parabolic run by the end between the end of this month, or you never could know. It could start now. Our parabolic run could start maybe in the middle of May, but I'll say between like now and June, no, between now and like September, October, it's going to be big in crypto. Um, all these different um, governments around the world has been loading up on Bitcoin and crypto. Um, I talked about it the other day with Australia. They approved their spot Bitcoin ETF. China approved theirs. Hong Kong. I'm quite sure Japan is going to have a spot Bitcoin ETF. I haven't heard of it yet, but I'm quite sure they will. We know Japan and China is going to be a crypto hub, even in Korea. Now, I haven't heard of Korea, South Korea having a spot Bitcoin ETF. I'm gonna try to do more research on that, but those major those major Asian superpowers are gonna be crypto hubs. South Korea, China, Japan, they're definitely gonna be crypto hubs. We know that with the projects with like Jasmine and then Swift. So yeah, we know Swift was based out of China, and then Jasmine is based out of Japan, right? And then so yeah, it's definitely gonna be I'm telling you, this whole thing with real world assets is going to take the world by storm. You know, that and, Web3, DeepIn, all of it combined together. So let's see here. Um, we go to the community comments here. It says, if you have a couple of hours, I recommend watching this YouTube video. He goes in about what Swift could be. It really interesting. Buy in my opinion. It's like buying Jasmine all over again, which I have both. I also think about the supply of Swift. Oh, let me check this out. Check out this video.
The founder and the CEO of Sun.
Oh, okay. Lisa back there. Okay. That's my guy, Research Underdog. Oh, yeah. And this, okay. It looked like I was watching this. Okay. This is one of his 2-hour videos. Yep, my guy, Research Underdog. He's been doing all the research on Swift. A lot going on here.
Sunstone Management in the United States and the EB5 Regional Centers Holding Group. Sunstone Management partners with Morgan Stanley, AB Funds, and M Group and Seraph Group to issue a combination or customized products offering global wealth planning and management services. Regional Center Holding Group has 11 EB5 regional centers approved by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. John obtained his lawyer's degree, that's that JD degree, from Pekin University in 1992, and a master's degree in statistics and sociology from Duke University in 1996. Shin has been serving as the chairman of the admissions committee of the alumni.
Okay, guys. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched this channel yet, definitely go subscribe over there to Research Underdog. Yeah, when it comes to the research, hands down, nobody gets with him when it comes to doing the research on projects. He's by far he is number one. Definitely check out his channel, the Research Underdog. Especially when it comes to like Swift, he's deep into it as far as getting the research and everything on there. So yeah, let me see here. Close that. Let me see here. Go back to the community comments here. So yeah, we definitely know where we're headed with Swift. If you look here, we're already rebounding. I'm telling you, man. And Swift, recently found out Swift is following Bitcoin to the T. It's like the chart almost look identical to Bitcoin's chart with Swift. I was recently showed that. I was like, wow, that's amazing. And I'm telling you guys, we possibly going to see we could possibly see a weekend pump this weekend. The fact that they didn't raise the interest rate, they kept it the same. So yeah, man, it's going to be a lot going on in this a lot going on here in this in this in this bull run. Okay, let's see here. Crow Fan will be available for. Okay, I think I read that before. Check out some of the community comments, see what they're talking about. Okay. It says Swift, thank you for cheap prices. Been loading up behind the scenes. Exactly. I'm telling you, man. Um, Not financial advice, but I think every crypto holder should have some type of bag of Swift in their portfolio. Like me personally, this is my biggest bag now. You know, I'm deep in Swift right now. Like I said, this thing is going to go parabolic at any given time, man. Especially if Bitcoin, like I said, if Bitcoin could at least test that 65 to 66K here soon, we can possibly see a parabolic run. The fact that Bitcoin crashed all the way back down to 57, right? That gave you altcoins a new structure for levels of support. That gave a lot of altcoins levels of support. We saw like what happened the other month when Bitcoin pumped, right? But a lot of altcoins really didn't pump with it. A lot of us that are in altcoins, we were kind of frustrated. Why is Bitcoin was pumping, but some alts pumped, but a lot of alts did not pump. Now that the fact that Bitcoin went back down, retested 57K, a lot of alts they're able to find new structure and get ready. Just get ready for blast off for the next time when Bitcoin pump. The fact that we're past the Bitcoin halving. See, Bitcoin pumped before it pumped all the way up to 74K. That was even before the Bitcoin halving. Now that we're after the halving, the next major pump for Bitcoin, alts are going to go parabolic, man. I see it coming. I think that's exactly what's getting ready to happen now. The fact that we're a couple of weeks out, from the Bitcoin halving. So yeah, that's exactly what's getting ready to transpire because I can already see my portfolio going up now. I'm telling you, the low cap utility is where it is, guys. That's where it is. Okay, he said twice hit support levels at 0.0033 on April 13th. Now it's 0.0032. I think he meant 42. Yeah, he got the number wrong. I think he meant 42. On May 1st, respectively, resulted in a reversal of positive price action. Bottom line, expecting price movement to retest resistance levels at 0.0042 and 0.0048. It looked like we're definitely heading back up to 0.0048. And then along the weekly time frame, provided the BTC closing candle for the week says above 48,000 range. Daily volume remains at the low end, 2.2 million, which due to pick up once we have a breakout wick. Buy sell ratios currently 6:4:36. Daily oscillators suggest a buy opportunity, whilst all weekly technical indicators suggest buy as always. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah, so that is my update on Swift. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And hey, support the channel either with PayPal or Cash App, or get the channel membership because I'm about 2 or 3 times a week I drop the content to the channel members. But yeah, guys, that is my update on Swift. It's looking good. Um, I'm seeing a sea of green here. A lot of cryptos are starting to pump again. We're starting to the fact that Bitcoin, by going back down to 57, it gave altcoins new structure and levels of support, and we are ready to take off, man. We're a few weeks. I'm telling you, man, this summer is going to be big in crypto. This is going to be one of the biggest summers for crypto. This is really going to be a super cycle. Um, like I said, a lot of the life changing money is going to be made by like I said, September, October, and like I said, uh, the end of 2024 going into 25 is just going to be icing on the cake. Literally, it's going to be icing on the cake. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get out of here. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody have a good Friday. Peace.